Want to know the top online money-making secrets of 2024? Well, you're in the right place. Today, we'll unravel the mysteries of the digital earning landscape and let you in on some pivotal secrets. Understanding these secrets can be a game changer, especially for those who aspire to capitalize on the opportunities the online world presents this year. So, ready to uncover the keys to online prosperity in 2024? Without further ado, let's dive into these lucrative secrets. The first secret is leveraging automation tools. Picture this: a world where routine tasks are taken care of while you focus on the bigger picture. That's exactly what automation does for online businesses. It's the invisible hand that keeps the wheels of your enterprise turning while you're busy strategizing or even while you're sleeping. Automation is the secret sauce that gives online businesses an edge. It boosts productivity by taking over repetitive tasks, allowing you to direct your energy towards tasks that require your unique skill set. Think of it as your digital workforce, tirelessly working around the clock, leaving no room for human error. Let's delve into some examples. Ever heard of email marketing? Tools like MailChimp automate the process of sending out newsletters, follow-ups, and promotional materials. They even provide analytics to help you understand your audience better. Or perhaps you've explored e-commerce. Platforms like Shopify come with built-in automation tools. From inventory management to order processing, these tools streamline operations so you can focus on customer experience and product development. Then there's social media management. Tools like Hootsuite and Buffer help you schedule posts, engage with your audience, and track performance across multiple platforms, all from a single dashboard. And let's not forget about customer service. Chatbots, powered by artificial intelligence, can handle customer inquiries, provide instant responses, and even upsell products, all without any human intervention. But remember, automation is not about replacing humans. It's about empowering them. It's about freeing up your time and mental space so you can focus on what really matters: growing your business, brainstorming innovative ideas, and delivering value to your customers. So don't shy away from exploring the world of automation tools. They're designed to make your life easier, your operations smoother, and your business more profitable. Automation not only saves you time, but also helps you scale your business rapidly. It's the secret weapon of successful online entrepreneurs, and now it's yours to wield. The second secret to making money online is exploring niche markets. But what exactly is a niche market? Well, it's a specific segment of a larger market. Imagine a bustling marketplace bustling with vendors selling all sorts of products. A niche market would be one stall selling rare, handcrafted vintage marbles. This stall might not attract everyone, but for marble collectors, it's a treasure trove. Niche markets are all about specialization and focus. The internet is a vast place, and trying to appeal to everyone often results in appealing to no one. By focusing on a specific niche, you're not just one of the many voices in a crowded marketplace, you're the leading authority in your chosen field. Now, why would you want to dive into a niche market? First and foremost, it's about profitability. Niche markets often have less competition, which means there's a higher potential for profit. If you're the only one selling those vintage marbles, you can charge a premium price. Also, niche markets often have a dedicated and passionate audience. They're not just casually browsing, they're actively seeking out your product or service. This leads to higher engagement and conversion rates, which in turn leads to more revenue. Choosing a niche isn't just about picking something you're passionate about, though that certainly helps. It's about finding a balance between your interests, your skills, and market demand. You might love vintage marbles, but if there's no demand for them, you're not going to make much money. On the other hand, if you're skilled in crafting the marbles and there's a demand for them, you've hit the jackpot. So how do you find your niche? Start by identifying your passions and skills. Then research market demand. Look for gaps in the market that you could fill. Experiment, test, and refine until you find a niche that suits you. Finding your niche is like discovering your own gold mine. It might take some digging and a bit of trial and error, but once you strike gold, the rewards can be phenomenal. The third secret is mastering SEO. SEO, or search engine optimization, is the lifeblood of any successful online venture. It's your ticket to reaching the top of search engine results and boosting your visibility to potential customers. When you master SEO, you unlock the door to a flood of organic traffic to your online platforms, be it a website, blog, or e-commerce store. Think of the internet as a vast ocean, teeming with countless websites. SEO is your compass, guiding you through the tumultuous waves of competition and leading you to the shores of profitability. It's a long-term strategy, not a quick fix. But when implemented correctly, the benefits are remarkable. But what does mastering SEO entail? It's all about understanding how search engines work and leveraging that knowledge to your advantage. Search engines like Google use complex algorithms to determine the relevance and quality of a web page. By optimizing your content with relevant keywords, creating high-quality backlinks, and ensuring your site is user-friendly, you increase your chances of ranking higher in search engine results. Moreover, SEO isn't a one-size-fits-all approach. It's essential to tailor your SEO strategies to your specific online platform and target audience. For instance, a blog about vegan recipes will require a different SEO approach than an e-commerce store selling tech gadgets. Remember, SEO isn't just about getting more traffic. It's about attracting the right kind of traffic. By targeting the right keywords, you can attract visitors who are genuinely interested in what you have to offer, increasing your chances of conversions and sales. Lastly, keep in mind that SEO isn't a static field. It's constantly evolving, with search engines regularly updating their algorithms. To truly master SEO, you need to stay ahead of the curve, continuously learning and adapting to these changes. In essence, mastering SEO is a journey, not a destination. It requires patience, perseverance, and a willingness to learn. But the rewards, they're well worth the effort. Mastering SEO is akin to having a roadmap to online success. And with this roadmap in hand, you're well on your way to unlocking the top online money-making secrets of 2024. The fourth secret is utilizing social media marketing. Now let's delve into the world of tweets, likes, and shares. Social media is not just a platform for sharing cat videos and vacation photos. It's a powerful tool that, when leveraged effectively, can propel your brand to new heights. Imagine being able to reach millions of potential customers with a click of a button. That's the power of social media marketing. In today's digital age, having an online presence is not an option, it's a necessity. And social media is at the forefront of this digital revolution. It's where people are, it's where conversations happen. And most importantly, it's where purchasing decisions are influenced. Effective social media marketing is about more than just posting regularly. It's about engaging with your audience, understanding their needs, and delivering value. It's about storytelling, creating a narrative that resonates with your audience. And it's about consistency, maintaining a steady stream of content that keeps your brand at the top of your audience's mind. Remember, social media is a two-way street. It's not just about broadcasting your message, it's about listening to what your audience has to say. Use these platforms to gain insights into your customers' needs and wants. Let their feedback guide your product development and marketing strategies. But social media marketing is not just about reaching a wider audience. It's also about targeting the right audience. With sophisticated algorithms and detailed targeting options, you can ensure your message reaches the people who are most likely to be interested in your product or service. This not only increases the efficiency of your marketing efforts, but also boosts your return on investment. To sum it up, social media marketing can help you increase brand awareness, reach a wider audience, and boost sales. It's a cost-effective way to engage with your customers, build relationships, and grow your business. It's no wonder why businesses, big and small, are investing heavily in social media marketing. Social media marketing is the new word-of-mouth advertising. Now that we've unveiled the top online money-making secrets of 2024, it's time to put them into action. So let's take a quick stroll down memory lane. We kicked things off with the power of leveraging automation tools and how they can streamline your operations, saving you invaluable time and resources. Remember, automation doesn't replace human touch, it enhances it. Next, we delved into the world of niche markets. Finding your niche not only allows you to focus your efforts, but also helps you stand out in a crowded online space. It's about identifying what you do best and tailoring it to a specific audience that craves exactly what you have to offer. Then, we tackled the big beast, SEO. Mastering search engine optimization is a surefire way to drive organic traffic to your site. It's all about understanding what your potential customers are searching for and making sure your content matches those queries. We also spent time discussing social media marketing. In this digital age, harnessing the power of social platforms is a no-brainer. It's a direct line to your audience, a place to build relationships and foster engagement. But let's not forget, while these secrets are powerful, they require your commitment and persistence. It's about testing, learning, and adapting. Remember, the key to making money online is to stay adaptable, innovative, and persistent. Good luck!